Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now today we're working on a Porsche Panamera. This is the factory mounting box, not in the right size. Let's address it with our new miniature plinth. Let's get into it. So what's the original problem? When you get your Porsche, they fit this factory mounting box. Now it doesn't fit any Australian plate. As you can see, you got New South Wales, pretty standard plate, too tall, or maybe you got a narrow plate. Now it's too wide. Not only that, it's very bulky. So we've redesigned this to something a lot smaller. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the redesigned plinth. We call it our miniature plinth because it is a lot smaller. We've made it as thin as the thinnest plate and as narrow as the narrowest plate. And the best thing is a straight swap. Take out the factory screws and put it back in with the old one. So first thing, take out the screws. So this is the factory box. We've removed it. This is the replacement. Now to install this, uses the same hole and the same screw. We do give you new screws if you prefer, it's up to you. Installation, very easy. You can already see that the profile of it lines up with everything onto the car. Best part, the hole's already there. All you gotta do is put the screw back in, either the original ones or the new ones provided. And it even covers up any leftover holes from any previous plates. Now that we've got the plinth on the car, it's time to choose a bracket. Now, because the solution is two parts, first, you need a plinth that suits the car, that replaces the box. Now, you're gonna mount the plate. So if you're running, say, heritage plates, you grab yourself a heritage bracket, that goes onto our new miniature plinth, and an unplate can attach. So for this car, we're gonna install Victorian slimline plates. I've got the correct bracket to suit. That will go on, followed by the plates. Installing the bracket's easy. You can use any of the slots on the bracket and pair it up with any of the two mounting points on the plinth to get the height that you want. So I'm just gonna try, say here, and try and line it with the top of this little plastic section of bar and see how it looks. So I've got the bracket all lined up. Now there are markings on the bracket, so I can line the center line with the center line here. And also there's little lines on the bracket to help you line with the bolt. Now that is on, I'm pretty happy with it. I can now put it on my new plate and I can bolt it in all four corners for stability. I can also add covers. Now our brackets are compatible with Ultrex and Kingpin. Just use the supplied screws to bolt it down. And that's how you get rid of the factory mounting box that's never in the correct size and get a nice clean floating look like this. Now you do need two parts, plinth to suit the car and a bracket to suit the plate to complete this nice floating look. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.